good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. Today is everyday cooking. So I told you I'm going to do these every once in a while. And today we're going to do just a simple chicken and rice. Again, this is everyday cooking. Nothing fancy, nothing elaborate, just everyday cooking. So it's a quick, easy meal. And if you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some chicken and rice. The supporting cast is very simple. We got our chicken. I got 2 chicken breasts that I cut in half, and I got some chicken legs those are our favorite pieces, so that's what we're going to be using. So I got those here, unseasoned, all cleaned, but unseasoned. I got 1 onion cut up here, 2 cups of rice, and this is minute rice, so it even makes it easier. For the seasoning, garlic powder, Lowry seasoning salt, some paprika, salt and pepper to taste. You know how I get down, pink Himalayan sea salt. And then we got 1 can of cream of mushroom, 1 can of cream of chicken. Now, some people use cream of celery. You use whatever you want to. I had these on hand. This is everyday cooking, so this is what we're doing. And then I'm going to use 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of water with this to get it popping, get it started. But that's really it. I might add a little bit of minced garlic to it, but we'll see how it comes together. That's it. Let's get started. Right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to season up my chicken breast, because I'm going to put those in the pan first. So first thing we're going to hit it with a little pink Himalayan sea salt. Some fresh pepper here. And you know me, I love my pepper. Alright, we're going to hit it with a little bit of garlic powder. Oh, quite a bit there. That's too much for me. We're going to put so much over there. A little bit of garlic, or sorry, a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt. And just a touch of paprika. Alright, so we're going to flip these over. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to do my chicken legs here in a minute, but I'm going to get these in the pan here first. So let's go over to the oven. I'm going to show you, I'm going to put these on the stovetop just to brown them. I'm not cooking them all the way, just to brown. Alright, so we got over here, I got a 5-quart skillet here, and I got a little bit of butter in it. We're just going to put our chicken breast in here. I got it on a pretty high temp because I'm not cooking these, I'm just browning the outsides. Alright, so we're going to put those on, and we're going to get both sides brown there, get some nice color on them. In the meantime, we're going to season up our chicken legs here. Same way I did the other one. We're going to season up the chicken legs. So let me get that started, and then we'll start on the rice mixture. Alright, so for the rice mixture, what we're going to do here, we're going to take our can of cream of chicken soup, or cream of mushroom soup first of all. Dump that right in there just like that. And then we're going to take our cream of chicken soup. That one's a little bit more stubborn, huh? So we're going to get it out of the can like this. Alright, so we got our cream of mushroom and our cream of chicken soup there. And we're going to add 1 cup of milk to this. Now I start with 1 cup. I might add it a little bit more later on. Starting with 1 cup of milk. Then we're going in with 1 cup of water. And we're going to mix this up gently so we don't make a mess. Alright, to that mixture we're going to add in our rice. Now, like I said, this is minute rice, so I guess you could say I'm cheating. But this is everyday cooking. Nothing fancy, nothing elaborate. And then we're going to add my onions to this. And that is essentially all there is to the rice mixture. And we're going to set that aside. We're going to go back over and check out our chicken. Alright, so chicken's frying up nicely. Got some good color on it. We're just flipping it over. And we're going to cook the other side here. Then we're going to brown our legs as well. So I'll be back in a second. I'll let this cook off. So, looking at the chicken, browned up nice. I'm going to remove that from the stove, or from the pan I should say. Throw in a little bit more butter here. Tad bit more butter. Tad bit more butter. Move that around a little bit. And as you can see, I've seasoned up my chicken nicely. My legs here, and we're just going to place those and brown them off nicely as well. Alright, so we got my legs in there. I'm going to brown those off. In the meantime, you should always have your oven preheating now at this point for 350 degrees. This is all going to go in a casserole dish, and we're going to pop it in the oven. Chicken is browning up nicely. Got a nice little crust on it. We're going to turn it over on the other side here and get it brown on that side. I'm pretty much done with the chicken at that point. Then we'll put it all together and put it in the oven here. Guys, look at this. Chicken's got nice color on it. So I'm going to turn the stove off, let that finish browning. But we're done with the chicken at this point. Turn the stove off, let it continue. We're going to move over here and I'm going to add a little bit of garlic and we're going to start putting this together. So to the rice mixture, I'm going to put a nice teaspoon or tablespoon of minced garlic in there. Alright, we're going to mix this up here, and you can see it's gotten really thick here. So that's why sometimes I will add another half a cup or even maybe sometimes another cup of milk to this. Because that rice has really absorbed all the moisture. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up in here with the garlic, and I'm going to add another half a cup of water as well. Loosen it up a little bit. Now you can get real fancy and you can put mushrooms in this or whatever you like to. I just use the cream of mushroom soup if that's what I got on hand. So now we're just going to transfer this to a 9 by 13 inch Pyrex dish. Forgive my arm here, it's in the way, I know. Going to transfer that to there. Get it all over the dish here. And we're simply going to add our chicken to this. I'm adding the juices as well. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a little bit of butter to this. I'm going to add 2 little pads of butter to it, keeping it moist. I'm going to wrap it up in some aluminum foil here. And like I said, your oven should be preheated to 350. We're going to pop that in the oven. It's going to cook for about an hour. So I'm going to put it in the oven for about an hour. Then I'm going to take the aluminum foil off and let it cook for about another 15 minutes. But it's just that simple, guys. So I'll see you in about an hour. By YouTube time, it'll be 2 seconds. Right, there you guys go. I just wanted to show you as I pulled it out of the oven. It's been about an hour and 15 minutes. I uncovered it and cooked it for about 15 minutes uncovered. There you go, chicken and rice. Let me plate this up for you. You know what I'm waiting for. But let me plate this up first. Chicken and rice. Good old-fashioned way. Everyday cooking. Doesn't have to be fancy. Just gotta taste good. You know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Give me a second, let me get it. Good old chicken and rice, everyday cooking. Nothing fancy, just good flavor. And I'm gonna get that bite. Let me get some rice here first. Oh, chicken is tender. Don't even need a knife. We got little green beans with it. Everyday cooking. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.